adding blind spot monitoring to a first-generation Chevy Colorado. When a vehicle is detected, look for the orange LED to light up. These notes are meant to help guide you to install blind spot monitoring to your truck. There's a lot of information on each slide, so pausing and enlarging the slides will be helpful. Here are the pros and cons of this Excel ultrasonic-based BSM. Recommend the custom T-connector plug-in trailer wiring harness so the factory harness does not get modified. This slide shows the wiring routing details of the system. Some pictures for clarity. Here we are drilling, deburring the hole, and installing the sensor. Placement requirements for the sensor. Manufacturer instructions are up on my website. Building the waterproof box for the control box. The hardest part of putting a control box in the waterproof box is that the connectors need to be removed, such that the wires, cables need to pass through the waterproof fittings and then the connectors reinstalled. Use a small screwdriver to release the pin in the connector. Take pictures of the connectors to remember where each pin goes in the connector when reinstalling. This is the second time I am doing this, since I used the same BSM in my 1988 Toyota pickup. My 4Runner did not require this waterproof box since it is an SUV. Here you can see the white seal on the top cover of the box. Getting ignition power to power the BSM. We will be taking the power off the blower motor since 1, it is only powered when the engine is on, and 2, the BSM draws very little current. For reference, if we wanted to draw more power from an ignition source, we could use the blower motor voltage to control a relay tied to the battery. We need to partially release the 2 HVAC cables to get to the blower motor wire harness. Confirming that there is no voltage in the accessory position.
Financial settlement you deserve while remaining completely anonymous. But hurry, there is a deadline to file a case. Text stress to 323232 right now to see if you qualify for significant cash compensation. Text the word stress to 323232. Text stress to 323232.
Confirming that there is voltage in the ignition position.
You do feel hot. Dayquil Kids will take care of that fever. What about the cough? Dayquil Kids has it covered.
Will it make my throat feel better?
Yes, that too.
But will it taste good?
Yeah, Dayquil Kids.
Here we are tapping into the blower motor supply. I like using wire nuts for connections that I will likely use in the future. I hope you found these installation notes helpful. See my website for more information.